It seems to me like the underutilized meal for the air fryer is breakfast, but I'm not sure why, because we're always in a hurry and it's quick and easy and it gives you something hot and delicious. So here's an old-fashioned recipe from Betty Crocker for promoting Bisquick. And Betty Crocker called these sausage ball muffins that you bake at 400 degrees in mini muffin tins in the oven for about 13 to 18 minutes. And here's an adaptation to do them in the air fryer in about 8 minutes. Super simple. So to some loose sausage, and I like to break it up a little bit first with a fork, make sure it's not one big glob. And since these are not in muffin tins, I like to call them sausage biscuit bites. That's just my term. To about 2 ounces of sausage here, I'm adding about half a cup of cheese and then about half a cup of Bisquick. I like to work that through before adding any liquid, just to make sure you don't have any huge chunks of sausage and it's really nicely distributed. This might be a bit of an old-fashioned recipe because my friend Megan shared with me that she received this recipe from her grandmother as a bridal shower gift. So it's been around for a bit. Just a little pinch of ground fennel seed. Optional here, but I think it really amps up the flavor. We'll get the air fryer going. Okay, just gonna add a bit of milk, maybe up to a quarter cup, a couple tablespoons to start. It's just to bring it all together. It will be sort of wet and sticky, so I also like to wet my hands with water when I form the little bite-sized shapes. I like to use parchment for these to kind of avoid some of the messiness of the cheese, and I do love a little hole punch to put some holes in so that the air circulation can get through. All right, with wet hands, we're going for about a golf ball or ping pong ball size shape. And I like to get at least about 5 bites out of this amount of mixture, maybe 6. I think we're gonna get 6 today. I'm gonna give my hands a wash and stick these in the air fryer. These guys are always perfectly done for me at 370 for 8 to 9 minutes, but if you're not sure or your air fryer model varies, just take the temperature. They should be above 165. Oh, they're looking good. All of that melty cheese. Yum. I'll leave a description of this recipe down below, and while you're there, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you. Oh yeah. I just love how browned and amazing these guys look. So good. Hot, hot, hot. I do recommend letting them rest for a minute and then devouring them when they're still warm. But look at all that melty cheese. Oh my gosh. I love that. Megan's grandma knew what she was talking about. These are a classic. And actually a really good hand-holding kind of breakfast for on the go. Yeah, I could be out the door really quick with these. Oh, that is so good. They're warm and fluffy inside. All of that cheese and savory sausage. Sausage biscuit bites or sausage ball muffins. You gotta try it. And Betty Crocker called these things sausage ball muffins, or your air fryer model varies. Just